Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your GO2Bank routing number and account number. If you don't have a GO2Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for accounts on the left side menu. Click on Bank Account. At the upper right side of this page, you will see 3 horizontal dots. Click on the 3 horizontal dots. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for routing and account numbers. Click on Routing and Account Numbers. And now you will see your routing and account number. That's how you find your GO2Bank routing number and account number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.